Did you know that North Korea has its own sneaker brands, designed and produced entirely within the country? While major global brands like Nike and Adidas dominate the market, North Korea has developed a domestic sneaker industry that serves its people with affordable, durable, and practical footwear. Today, we'll take a look at North Korea's sneaker culture, exploring the history, unique designs, and the advanced manufacturing techniques that keep this industry alive. A strong foundation, the history of North Korean sneakers. North Korea has long prioritized self-sufficiency, producing everything from electronics to food, and sneakers are no exception. The government established domestic footwear factories decades ago to provide high-quality and affordable shoes to workers, athletes, and citizens. Factories in Pyongyang, Wonsan, and Sinuiju have since specialized in creating sports and casual sneakers that are both functional and stylish. Unlike Western brands that prioritize flashy marketing and high prices, North Korean brands focus on reliability and accessibility, ensuring that everyone can own a good pair of shoes. Over the years, these factories have expanded their expertise, developing their own styles while occasionally drawing inspiration from international designs. However, rather than simple imitations, these sneakers are tailored for the needs of the North Korean people, designed to withstand harsh weather conditions and daily use. North Korea's top sneaker brands? One of the most well-known sneaker manufacturers is Ryuwon Shoes, which produces a wide range of footwear from running shoes to basketball sneakers. Their designs incorporate modern features such as lightweight materials, shock-absorbing soles, and ergonomic structures to support long-term wear. Another fascinating brand is Unification Shoes, a project that symbolizes Korean unity. This brand reflects North Korea's commitment to building high-quality products while promoting national identity. These sneakers are often worn by athletes in national competitions and have been praised for their durability. Additionally, the country's factories have introduced stylish designs featuring patriotic symbols, reinforcing national pride. Some shoes even carry slogans that promote health, fitness, and the importance of hard work, aligning with North Korea's values of discipline and perseverance, innovation, and manufacturing excellence. Despite facing trade restrictions, North Korea has continuously improved its sneaker production. Domestic factories use locally sourced materials, ensuring sustainability and reducing dependency on foreign imports. Advanced rubber processing techniques have allowed the country to create comfortable and long-lasting soles, comparable to those found in international brands. Factories have also integrated automation into production lines, making manufacturing more efficient while maintaining quality standards. Some reports suggest that North Korean sneakers now feature enhanced breathability and water resistance, proving that the country is determined to innovate. Furthermore, North Korea has developed a skilled workforce trained in precision craftsmanship. This ensures that sneakers are made to last, prioritizing function over unnecessary luxury. While Western brands may focus on trends and marketing gimmicks, North Korea's sneakers are designed to serve the people with practicality and efficiency. Where can you find North Korean sneakers? While North Korean sneakers are primarily sold within the country, a few pairs have made their way into select markets abroad. Some have been spotted in China and Russia, where North Korean products are known for their affordability and quality. Occasionally, these shoes appear at international trade fairs, showcasing the country's ability to produce competitive footwear. For tourists visiting North Korea, it is possible to purchase these sneakers at designated stores. They serve as a unique souvenir, representing the country's commitment to self-reliance and craftsmanship. However, due to global trade policies, exporting these shoes to Western nations can be challenging. The future of North Korean sneakers. As North Korea continues to advance its industries, its sneaker production is likely to grow further. With a dedicated workforce and increasing technological development, the country has the potential to create even more sophisticated and competitive footwear in the future. If sanctions were ever lifted, North Korean sneaker brands could emerge as an alternative to expensive Western brands, offering practical, high-quality shoes without excessive marketing costs. The country's focus on efficiency and sustainability could make its sneakers an attractive option for consumers looking for reliable and ethically produced footwear. Conclusion: North Korean sneakers represent more than just footwear. They symbolize the country's dedication to innovation, self-reliance, and providing for its people. While they may not yet be globally recognized, these shoes showcase a growing industry that reflects North Korea's ingenuity and craftsmanship. Would you try a pair of North Korean sneakers if given the chance? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more unique stories from around the world. See you in the next video.